Hello, dear friends. Today, we would like to talk about how to speak professionally in the workplace. Professional communication is one of the most important skills for success. It helps us build trust, maintain good relationships, avoid misunderstandings, and create a positive work environment. First, speak clearly and respectfully. Always use polite words such as please, thank you, and excuse me. Even when you disagree with someone, express your opinion respectfully. For example, instead of saying, you are wrong, you can say, I have a different perspective on this. Second, listen carefully before speaking. Professional communication is not only about talking, it is also about listening. When colleagues or clients are speaking, pay attention and avoid interrupting them. Active listening shows respect and helps you understand the situation better. Third, be confident but not arrogant. Speak with a calm and confident tone. Maintain eye contact when appropriate and avoid speaking too softly or too aggressively. Confidence helps others trust your ideas and recommendations. Fourth, be concise and stay on topic. In a professional environment, people's time is valuable. Try to express your thoughts clearly and directly. Instead of giving long and unnecessary explanations, focus on the key points. For example, instead of saying, I was thinking that maybe if everyone agrees and if there are no problems, we could perhaps finish the project next week. You can say, I recommend completing the project by next week. This sounds more professional and confident. Fifth, use positive language times. Positive communication creates a productive atmosphere. Instead of saying, this can't be done, try saying, here is an alternative solution. Focusing on solutions rather than problems demonstrates professionalism and teamwork. Sixth, times be careful when communicating through emails and messages times. Always begin with a proper greeting. Keep your message organized and review it before sending. Avoid slang, excessive abbreviations, or emotional language. A professional email should be clear, polite, and grammatically correct. Another important point is handling conflicts professionally. Disagreements are normal in any workplace. When conflicts arise, stay calm and focus on the issue rather than the person. Use phrases such as, let's discuss the best solution. I understand your point of view. Can we explore another option? These expressions help maintain respect and cooperation. Professional communication also includes times showing appreciation times. Recognizing the efforts of colleagues strengthens workplace relationships. Simple statements like, great job on the presentation. Thank you for your support. I appreciate your help can make a significant difference in team morale. Finally, remember that professionalism is reflected not only in what we say, but also in how we say it. Our tone, attitude, and body language all contribute to effective communication. A friendly smile, a respectful tone, and a willingness to listen can leave a lasting positive impression. In conclusion, speaking professionally at the workplace means communicating with clarity, respect, confidence, and positivity. By listening carefully, choosing our words wisely, and maintaining a professional attitude, we can build stronger relationships and achieve greater success in our careers. Thank you for your attention.